What's up, JVCs, Gen Zs, and Millennials? Naghahanap ba kayo ng gaming PC with high-end GPU na may kasamang gaming chair at gaming table? O baka naman ang hanap mo, gaming laptop with external gaming monitor na may 3-in-1 printer. Kaso, kulang sa budget? Don't worry! Dahil sagot ka, may home credit. Dahil may home credit, pwede ka nang mag-bundle up to 3 items. At kahit new customer ka, pwede kang mag-loan from 10,000 up to 80,000 pesos. Woo! Eh paano naman yung mga dati pa nating suki kay home credit? Siyempre, pwede silang mag-loan from 10,000 up to 120,000 pesos. Woo! Get approved as fast as 1 minute. Hindi mo na kailangan ng credit card. Walang CI at walang collateral. Kaya ano ba hinihintay mo? Apply now! Here in JNB Computer Store located at Lelas Michelle Building, Marcos District, Talavera, Nueva Ecija. See you!